Hey Jason, I'm back, and with another video of my cat. Got in a little bit of a fight yesterday. He has a little bit of a scratch on his eye. You know, the Lion King, where that lion has like a scar on his eye. That's close up. That's kind of what it's looking like. You can barely see it, but if you're close enough, you can see it. Just my neighborhood. Hey. He got attacked last night. I'm glad he's okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll be doing more check-ups and videos with my cat. See you guys later, and bye.